Hey, it's me, I'm JC. I've never done this before. I'm going to give you a full-on walkthrough of how I'm taking this protective style out. And this is not like a normal protective style. No, this is like a fun hair, one night, 3 nights at most. These are Bantu Knots, and this is my twist. This is Airs, Bantu Knots, Airs, Bantu Knots, Airs. So what I'm going to do for the first time, I've never done this before. I never think I've thought it before, so I'm going to show you before and after. This is the before, and I know I'll give y'all before and after with my hair being protective style and give y'all option. No, this is going to be a full on from what this is, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you all about how I got this like this, and how I got my Bantu Knots the way I did. And then I'm going to show you full on how I got it out. And it's going to be a quickie. I'm not going to give you a full on 25, 35, 60. Nope, no cutting this down. This is the fun part about doing this sometimes, because I can do this because my hair is natural. And this would be for beard porn and hair porn, because beard porn won't happen until next week. So I hope you like this for today. And yes, I know it's Wednesday, and I know you just had hair porn and you need some rest. I got you. But why not look at this video? Hair porn, beard porn with Airs. Be back with you. Alright, if you saw the intro, that was my intro. And like I told you before, there's no music, and that was before. And this is the takedown. First, we're gonna go ahead and go with Airs. And what you do is this. This is a 2-strand twist, like as I said you before. Airs is getting this type of treatment. This beard porn is normally on Wednesday, and that's when I put this on. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give y'all the texture beard that I normally do, kind of every now and then for special times, or like if I have time at night, which that's what happened. And you just go like with each of them. Feel your way. 2-strand twists are very easy, as I've told y'all before, to take down. You just kind of go a little bit up, as before, and you just take it down like a little like that. My beard is my beard is kind of like medium, so it's like about 2 to 3 inches long. Like it's a full 2 inches at this moment. And what it takes your beard, what this is gonna do, it's kind of just gonna make my beard look really full. And this right here is gonna be no fluff. I'm not fluffing anything until after, and that's just how it's gonna go. Yeah, and if you wonder how many I gave myself, it's about 12, about 10 to 12. I went as big as possible. The bigger my beard gets, I'm gonna probably keep doing them, and maybe till I get like into braiding it. Yeah, I love doing it. I just woke up too. I apologize if you're wondering like what I said before and after. Before it was like around, this is like a truth time, I did them at around like 1:30, and right now it's about 11. So I'm about to go somewhere, and and this is what I do. Every now and then I do this for like special occasions or if I have time. This was also supposed to be for another reason, but my beard I feel like it needed something special. Now, how did I do all this? I don't have the products with me, since y'all see I'm in another place. I'm sitting in Studio B, which, hold on. The beard part is done, and this is how he's looking. I'm gonna swim him up a little bit afterwards. Now let me go ahead with this. As you saw, first you do is you take it out of, I'll bring it for it. You take it out of this part. And you do that all over first. I'm gonna just do it all over for one side, and I'm gonna show you the difference of like just doing it at one point. Now this is 2-strand twist, but this is special because it's not really a twist. It's more of a let me get the hairstyle together. Hold on. So pretty much what you're doing is this all right. What you do is this is a 2-strand twist, and you roll it all into itself. Yes, Bantu Knots. I got it right there on the spot. Oh geez, Part 2 video means I'm a little bit more flustered. Okay. So this is the Bantu Knot. Now, why is it so pretty right now? Is because I did my 2-strand twist twice. I gripped it faster the second time, and then I put in the Bantu Knot. after, and I just want to sleep on them. That's kind of the beauty of this. And as y'all see, this is so easy to do because these are chunky twists. The beautiful part about this whole process is that I get to kind of just spruce up just a little bit. It's like really fast. And that's why I make sure this video is done, because I want you to understand that sometimes as naturals we can do a style in a day and have it for the whole week. And people are always like, what is that? Just a 2-strand, this is a 2-strand Bantu knot. And having errors in the same type of 2-strand kind of keeps the whole video in a smooth location. All right, let's do our center. This is our crown area. And go down here, like that. And then my hair is not fully dry, which I do want to y'all to understand. The takedown process, when it comes to taking these down, I naturally add, sometimes I add oil. How I got them installed was just like wash day. I had sprayed aloe vera juice and at aloe vera juice, not a leave-in conditioner, I use organics conditioner. And then last but not least, I use shea butter. Yeah, I use some shea butter to help mold. And that was it. And then as a takedown tactic, I just let it be not fully dry. And I just take them down. I got a few more and that's it. As y'all see, this is the duration of how my hair is gonna look. Now, I'm not lie, I'm gonna do more fluff to it. But like I told y'all, sometimes hairstyles, you just play with it more. And that's what we did. See? See how easy this is? Simple. And 2-strand twists are very fun. Doing a Bantu knot out, not everybody wants, like, goes out with them. And that just naturally happens. Sometimes they're more beautifully made. Mine were pretty. I like mine too, but it's just, I don't know, I won't lie. Most of the time if I have a Bantu knot out, I kind of sometimes go from a Bantu knot and then I make it to about like 2 flat twists for my Bantu knot out. As you see, my hair is almost done. And literally my hair is fuller now. What I'm doing is like separating from the Bantu knot. Since they were very chunky, these are like pretty much all the 2-strand twists, and then you just go from each twist and you just separate. See? And I think this one's last. So of them, the only one that probably went a little more loose was my backside. I sleep very crazy, and I didn't have anything on. Which is because I don't always sleep with anything on my head. But to give you a little bit more of a sprucing, this is how my hair is looking. And let me just do this one side more, just back, have my back give it more flow. See? How much you like it? See what I'm saying? Hair porn, beard porn, all in one day. And that's it. And it took only about 8 minutes to take down. Yeah. 8 minutes and some sprucing. So that's it. Alright, if you like the video, thumb me up. You're gonna be seeing that little icon with right here all the time. If you wanna see more, go right here for the last video for my beard porn. And go right here from yesterday's video. And I'll catch you with the next one.